Morning. So we are going to be doing Indian Valley to Mount Whitney, which I've done twice before. Going in a day early to cut off a little bit of mileage for the next day, so that we can have a 0 day. And obviously, you know, Beth's going with me, and Robert's doing. He's going to be hiking with us a ways. So we kind of got a late start. What time is it, Robert?
It's about 8:45.
8:45?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, or 8:46 to be exact.
I thought it was later than that. I thought, oh, that's because my car says a different time zone.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
Now you feel better.
Yeah, it is going to be warm. It's already warm, but it'll get cooler tonight at least. So we're going to hit the trail. It's 10:30 and we have reached Little Pothole Lake. So we reached Gilbert Lake. We took a break, ate, drank, rested, and got more water. Now Robert and I are heading up towards the top of the pass. Beth is already on the way. So I had to filter water, so she decided to start heading there. But she's doing better than she was, which is good. Proud of her. Alrighty, so here we go. Well, I'm now at Heart Lake. I'm pretty tired, definitely struggling with altitude. Beth's actually ahead of me and will probably beat me to the pass. So consider me impressed. Especially considering it was a bad start. She was having trouble, a lot of trouble at first. But she pushed through and now she's gonna beat me to the pass. I only stopped to filter water. But anyway, Heart Lake and Robert. We're turning in storm clouds, alright. Just trying to cover the pass. I think we'll make it in time. The question is, will we get our camp set up before it rains? I swear I'm seeing a funnel cloud develop. That's weird. Yeah, that, oh my gosh, that looks like a funnel cloud. Yeah. We made it.
Praise the Lord.
Amen. Thunder, lightning, funnel clouds trying to form. Rain is likely coming. Kearsarge Lakes down below. Beaufort. Wow! I just saw a big old thing of lightning. I wish the camera had seen that. Come on, thunder. Oh, I think I see funnel clouds trying to form again. Oh, good God! That was a boom.
Oh, you can hear it echo too. You hear that?
Oh yeah, it echoes. Sorry, Beth. Oh, wow. I think I got that on camera, the lightning strike. It's absolutely dumping where we're going tomorrow.
It's what?
It's absolutely dumping where we're going to be going tomorrow. We need to find a place to pull over. Yeah, that is good. Where'd you come from?
East Lake.
Okay.
Sure is a pretty day.
It is.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. So we are arriving at Kearsarge Lakes. It is raining a little bit. Sometimes it rains harder. But we're praying that God would hold back the rain until we get our camp set up. And He's done that for me before.
Oh, how high would I climb mountains if the mountains were where you hide? Oh, how far I'd scale the valleys if you graced the other side. And oh, how long have I chased rivers from lowly seas to where they rise? Against the rush of grace descending from the source of its supply. 'Cause in the highlands and the heartache, you're neither more or less inclined. I will search and stop at nothing. You're just not that hard to find. Oh,